Okay, let's do unboxing our Dji Mini Series drone. So, ito po ang nilalaman ng box. So, may cellphone cord, may extra propeller, may extra control stick, mini screwdriver, may mini guide din siya, at saka may cord for the remote control and for the drone para i-charge. So, let's go. Ito yung remote control. So, i-open mo lang yung handle. So, ingat lang tayo sa pagkuha ng control stick kasi maliit siya masyado. So, yan. Ikot mo lang ng mahigpit. Make it sure hindi siya matatanggal. So, yan po yung kalalabasan. So, may dalawang antena po siya. And then, yan. Ngayon, ilagay na natin yung cellphone. Any kinds of phone will do kasi may extra 2 cords for different kinds of cell phone. So, ngayon, ginagamit ko yung iPhone ko. Ayan. So, make sure it's securely tied. Now, ready to go. Ngayon, itry natin yung drone. So, ito yung drone. May 4 siya na legs. So, each leg may 2 propellers. Yan. Yan na yung drone. At ngayon, yan, ito yung press button niya. Ayan, di ba ang ganda niya? Char. Okay. Ang battery niya nandito lang. So, yung binili ko ay basic lang. So, wala siyang extra batteries with it. So, if you want, you can buy the combo, which is there's extra 2 batteries. So, yan. So, ito yung nilalaman ng Dji Mini Series drone. So in the next video, we will try to fly this one. We'll see how it goes. See ya!